Good evening. Here we have an Eico HF-60 mono EL34 power amplifier. The amplifier is in good cosmetic and operational condition. The cosmetics are quite good, as you can see in the picture here. The paint and the printing is in very good shape. This has the very well-known Acrosound TO-330 ultralinear transformer. It's quite clean. There are no user modifications, and there are no dings or dents or issues with the chassis. It does have its bottom plate. I do not have the top cover with this amplifier. The first order of business when I receive this is to go through and check the transformer windings. All the transformer windings checked out okay with no shorted or open windings and within DCR resistance parameters. The next job was to reform the electrolytic capacitors, these two right here, and I had them on my teleo mic in individual sections and reformed them, and they are operating correctly. The amplifier is currently powered up. It is pulling approximately 1.15, not quite 1.2 amps at 115 volts AC. The tube complement is as follows. We have a Japanese 5AR4. This is an old stock one from probably in the 1960s. We have a Raytheon 6SN7 and a Philips 6267 EF86 branded Amperex. The output TL34s are Svetlana Winged C. For this amplifier, after restoring the checking out the components and restoring the capacitors, I decided to actually replace most of the old components. They're quite easy to get to, and there's not too many under the chassis. So I replaced all the capacitors and out-of-tolerance resistors. So the amplifier is up to spec in terms of its operational voltages. It also sounds very good. So as you can see, it sounds very nice indeed, at least through the video it does. There is no hum or buzzing I can detect in the speaker. So this is a good operational amplifier that is also in very, very good condition. It is serial number 4021, and thank you for watching.